Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can create a live stream a countdown animation. So I've got a video here that I did playing Need for Speed, and this is what I'm going to show you. So basically we've got the animation all throughout the background and also this bar moving. So by the time when it reaches this end, the live stream is ready to start. So I'm going to stop this, close it, and let's open a document. So create a new document first, custom 1920 by 1080p, create, and now file, open, and I want to bring my video. Cool. So I'm just going to bring down this a bit more, the timeline. So there you go. Oh, by the way, if you don't see the timeline, go to window and timeline and it will show up. So right here we have this document, and this is inside the video group. So the first thing I want to do is I want to take this video out of the video group. So I'll just move it like so to the top of the video group, and now it is, and I get rid of the video group. So now I need to duplicate this. So Control or Command J. So there you go. So I'm going to rename it blur. Oops. Blur and normal. Cool. So basically this layer will be blurred, which will be the background, and the normal, it won't be blurred, so it will be normal. So the first thing I want to do is right click, convert to smart object, both of these layers. So there you go. So now with blur selected, I'm going to hide normal so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. And as you can see, I can add more blur or less blur, but I want something like so, because I don't want the background to be too distracting, but I want it to look cool, so that's why I'm animating the background as well. So there you go. And now the normal layer as it is, I'm going just to Command or Control T, and holding the Alt key I'm going to resize it from the middle. So I'll go something like so, yeah, like this, and I'll accept the changes. Cool. So now we need to create the bar. So to create the bar, I'm going to create a new blank layer. I'm going to name it bar, and I'm going to select rectangle marquee tool. I'm going to just zoom in a bit because I want to see the edges. So I'm just going to start in here like so, and edge to edge. I'm happy with this, and I want my color to be white because the white is my background color. I go Command or Control Delete, and now we've got it in white. So the Command or Control D to deselect, and there we go, we've got the bar. So now all I have to do is grab Move tool and just bring it down holding the Shift, and I want something like so. Very cool. So now we have this thing. As you can see, the video is 60, so it's 60 seconds. So that's a key fact for this video to work the easiest way. So this way, I recorded the video, I trimmed it 60 seconds or just about, and when I add a new layer, it just gives me 5 seconds, but I want to expand this because obviously after the 5 seconds the bar will disappear. So this way it will make the bar visible all the way to 1 minute, and as you can see, like so. So now I need to animate the bar. So holding the Control or Command key, I'm going to click the thumbnail of the bar layer. What this does basically just loads as a selection. So coming down here, I'll add a new layer mask, and the mask will be created based on the selection we had. So there you go. So now comes a point that we can animate many things in Photoshop. We can animate layers with masks, and masks on their own. So to animate just a mask, I need to unlink the mask from the layer. So I'll just click here. Now it's unlinked, and I want to just open up this a bit more, come down here to expand the bar, and as you can see, we've got layer mask position. So because at the beginning we want the full bar, I'll add a keyframe, and at the end we want the bar empty. I'll just go all the way to the end, and now making sure that the layer mask is selected, holding the shift key, I'll just drag this to the end until it disappears. There you go. So now, as we can see, the bar, it's moving. So as you can see, so it's a proper countdown. Very cool. So now let's add some text. So I'll add some text. So live stream, live stream starting soon. And as you can see, the text is actually too close to each other, the letters, so I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to my properties panel, and I'm just going to bring this to about 100. And obviously I need to resize it as well. So live stream starting soon, something like this, and I'll just move it to the position I want. And actually I want to change the text as well. So let's speed. There you go. And now I align it again, accept the changes, and now let's add drop shadow, an outer glow. Let's go for better, like so. And actually I don't like the text in this color. I'm just going to make it white. See how it looks. Yeah, it looks better, way better. There you go. And if we want, we can add on the normal layer, we can add a drop shadow, like so. We can even add an outer glow if you want. Actually, it looks quite cool. And let's say you want to copy the exact effects that you've got on this normal layer, so the outer glow and the drop shadow. All you have to do is hold the Alt key and drag the effects to the bar. So now it will apply those effects, so it just copies the effects into the bar layer. So as you can see, I forgot to expand this, but as you can see, after the 5 seconds, it just disappears. So I'm going to do is I'm going to 30 seconds, like so, and I'm going to add a new layer, and I'm going to actually type need for speed. So I'll accept the change in that. Yeah, that's cool. And what I want to do is I want to actually drag this, so once the other one disappears, need for speed comes up. So I'll just extend this. I'll just make sure let's just bring this like so I can see the text. Obviously we need to move tool and just move it like so. We can just extend it a bit more, and now we can do the same thing, add the same effects from the live stream starting soon. So holding the Alt in the effects and just drag it to this for speed. So as you can see, once live stream starting soon disappears, we get need for speed. So I'm just going to hit play so you can see. Obviously the first time you hit play, it's rendering, so it will be a lot slower than the final product, because as you can see right here at the bottom, it's playing at 9 frames per second, just about. And there you go. How cool is this? Obviously at the end of the video I'll put the render, the final video, and to do that I'm just going to file, export, render video, and I'm just going to call it need for speed. I'm happy with these settings. Oh, actually let's go for 1080p. There you go. And then all I have to do is hit render, and it will render the video. Obviously this will take a bit of time, and depending on your machine, maybe quicker or slower. And because we are working with 2 different videos plus animations, obviously it may take a bit of time. But I'll show you right now the final video, Until then, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with everyone you know, and even with those you don't know. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.